What's on your mind? Everything. I'm currently going through a divorce. I never thought I would go through a divorce. You know, my husband, he's just turned out to be something he's not. He's turned out to be this controlling person. And it's scaring me. I feel like I can't go anywhere, you know, without feeling he's watching me. He said he's gonna take every dime from me. He's not gonna leave me with anything. It's scaring me. I mean, it's stressing me a lot. It's not making me able to focus. I can't even get my job done at work. I feel like he's there even when he's not. I mean, I just feel like he's following me, and like he's just really trying to make my life a living hell. So you have man problem. I don't know why I wanna keep a coming here with a man problem. Imagine me just want a little gossip to tell my friend them. And it's just the same story over and over. Alright. I'm gonna show you some picture. But I want you to tell me the first thing will come in your mind, alright? Anything you see, just see it. Okay. Alright. What do you see? Is that a blank screen? Exactly. Nothing. That's what Duppy look like. And that's what you're afraid of. About you're afraid of, man. Oh, you're afraid of, man. You know what Beyonce said? We run the world. So, oh, you feel make man scare you. Oh, me feel like saying the death. So, I'm no Duppy. Him no Duppy. Or I'm for there everywhere. Listen, stop afraid of man. Me don't know why you're afraid of man, but he gonna take everything from me. He can't take nothing from you. He only can take what you give him. Alright? Stop Freddy, because that's what you want. Alright, next picture. Is that rice and chicken? I jerk chicken and rice and peas. You need to eat some of this because you look like you run down. That's why you have so much problem, because you not eat proper. Eat some of this and your problem them gone away. Alright? You just need to eat proper food. Alright? Alright, next picture. That's a knife. Correct. The next time you come here with man problem, me I go use this pan you. You can't leave now. Or you come here with man problem and I chat about him like him a Duppy and him I go take this and it. Them young girl I say man, all them want to do is man this and man that.